Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll teach you how to make a repost on Instagram. Okay, let's begin. To make a repost on Instagram, you must download and install a third-party application, because this function doesn't come from default. In the first comment, I leave the link to download the application. When you're on the website of Mega, click on Download, and the file will start downloading. When the download is complete, click on Save File. Now you'll get this message saying, "This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to save the file anyway?" Don't worry, this is not a virus. What happens is that our smartphones consider that non-Play Store applications are dangerous, but this is not it. With this in mind, accept it, and the application will finish downloading. Now, open it. Here, you must allow installing applications from unknown sources. Now go back, and then install. Before continuing, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. When the application is installed, click on Open. Once in the application, you'll get a quick start guide, but you don't need it because I'll show you how to use this application step by step. You have to click on and check mark that is in the upper right part. Now allow the application to access the photo, media, and files of your device. Then go to Instagram and search the post you want to repost. When you have located the post, click on the 3 points that are in the top right of the job. Here, you have to copy the link. Once you have copied the link back to the application, here it will appear the post. Just click on it. Here you'll have several options. One of them is where do you want to put the credits on the post. But if you don't want to show the credits of the person who posted the post, select the last box. In my case, I will leave it as it was. On the right, you have another option to choose the color of the credits. In my case, I will leave it as it was by default. Finally, click on where says Repost, and the video is prepared for the repost. Then you will get this message saying, the caption of the post was copied to the clipboard. Now you should click on where says Don't Show Again. Here, you must select where you want to make the report. Then it will send you to Instagram. Here, if you want, you can crop the video. In my case, I will leave it by default. Then click on the arrow on the top right here. If you want, you can put a filter. And to finish writing your captions, then click on Share. Automatically the video started to upload. While the post is loading, look at this woman eating spaghetti. Done. I've done my repost. So far this video, I hope the video has helped. Don't forget to click on like, comment, and share this video. I upload similar videos every week, so subscribe and activate the notification bells so don't miss them.